Good morning everybody and welcome back to the Sullivan family. It's Sunday morning and it's 9 o'clock. Go on then. Everybody saw that yesterday, that's what you bought, wasn't it?
No, its hair's changed colour in the sun.
Oh, I see. It's a colour change LOL doll. Very nice, darling. It's Sunday morning, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. We're up and out because this is the weather today.
I want to show them my new glasses.
This is the weather in Lossiemouth today.
I want to tell them.
Alright, do you want to show them your new glasses?
Yeah.
They're really smart, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're really smart. Yeah. The weather's beautiful today. We've got like high pressure right over Scotland at the moment. So it's beautiful sunshine. It's still a little bit cold, but it's beautiful sunshine. And we've even got, come over here. Guess who else we've got coming out for a walk this morning? Joseph! 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 Oh, you're putting something in Anx's pocket. Jojo! Say hello!
Hello! Hi!
Even Joseph. And I said to him, do you want to go in the buggy this morning? He's like, no, I want to walk. I was like, brilliant.
Daddy?
Yes, darling?
Very sunny today, so I unzipped my jacket.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, so Joseph's out. He actually loves nice weather. If it's nice weather, it's nice sunshine, no wind, he loves it. He'll come out. We're finding that he hates it when it's really cold. He hates it when it's raining. He hates it when it's windy. But other than that, he's out, he's walking, so we're hoping he can get a nice bit of exercise down the beach as well. Yeah, what's up?
Aaron's LOL hair is turning color purple. Why is it so
It's gone crazy. Yeah, so we're going to West Beach this morning, which is well, it's a toss-up between we like both of them. We like both beaches the same, to be honest. But West Beach is lovely when the tide goes out. You can walk. You can literally just walk along the beach, and it's beautiful. And the tide is out in 20 minutes, like low tide. So we're going to do West Beach this morning. But
I just want to change it as well.
all right, cool. But we're going to stop at the Premier first because we just want to pick up some drinks for the kiddies for down on the beach. So perfect start of the day for me. If I can get out first thing in the morning on a Sunday.
Oh
my goodness, this LOL doll, amazing. It's like Erin's favourite thing she's ever had, isn't it? Your LOL doll. Yeah, this is perfect start for me. Love getting out. Getting out for a walk, especially when you're stuck in work all week, you know, as well. So, oh, by the way, this afternoon, Zoe's doing some preparations at home at the moment because this afternoon we're replacing our computer desk in the lounge. Oh yeah, we're replacing our computer desk because our other one's had it. It's falling to pieces. It's not really functional anymore. So we've bought another one online from Amazon.
What are we doing this afternoon?
No, we're staying at home this afternoon. That's why we're coming out for a walk this morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've replaced it. So that's going to be this afternoon, and obviously the old one will go in the garage ready to go to the recycling centre. Used to be known as the tip.
Daddy.
Yes.
Sometimes why do you go to work at night sometimes?
Well, I have to sometimes. I have to do late sometimes, don't I? Late, not nights. Late.
Daddy.
Yeah.
The LOL doll is crying.
LOL doll again. What's up with the LOL doll now?
It looks like it's crying.
Okay, no problem. Well, we'll be happy down the beach, won't it?
Yeah, we'll be happy.
Right, we're going to stop at the Premier and then we're going to carry on walking down the beach. Right, we need to get some drinks, so go and choose some drinks then.
I want a slushie.
Hey, you are not having slushies. No way. Well, you know, we need some packets of drinks.
They don't have it.
Does anybody know where the packets of drinks are?
They don't have any.
They must have some. You cannot have those. Oh yeah, get one of those. They're quite cheap, aren't they, those ones? If not, get the little cartons because they're only about 30p. Alright? Yeah, well, get some cartons then. You can choose one carton each. Okay? This is for down the beach though, so hold on to it. Apple juice? Orange juice? Has Joseph got one? Has Joseph got one? What have you got? Apple? Good stuff. Right, have we all got a drink?
I'm not sure which one. What are these ones? No, look, Harry. Look at your shadow right there. Why is it about so hard? There's a shadow. Where's the hell? It was just speaking of shadow. Why am I so big? Yeah. Yeah, let me catch a shadow.
Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. It's beautiful out here today. It's sunny. It's not windy. And it's nice to be able to hear people outside. So I've just nipped outside quickly because I'm just sorting out the bedrooms. I've just been cleaning in the little one's bedroom, the twins and Agnes and Eva's. Having a bit of a sort out and a tidy in there. And I was just halfway through the bathroom and I thought I'm just going to nip outside and see what it's like. So Ben has taken everybody out early this morning because it's such a nice day. He took them all down to, he's taken them all down to West Beach because I think low tide is like 9:30 this morning or something, so that means the tide will be right out. So they can go and have a bit of a play on the beach. It's cold, but not really cold, but it's beautiful. No wind, sunshine. It's really lovely. It's just nice to be able to hear like children playing out in the garden. It's one of the things I love about spring and summer when it comes, is that you can hear all the kids outside playing in the garden. So yeah, it's so Ben's gone out this morning because this afternoon we need to build my new desk. So I've got a new desk because I spend a lot of time at my desk, and at the moment I've not got enough space on it for everything that I need. So like when I'm making t-shirts and jumpers and things like that, I keep having to move my machine out the way, and I can't get to the computer, and then if the kids need to use the desk, they've kind of got to move everything out of the way. So I've got a bigger desk which kind of comes around further this way and that way, but obviously we need to take all the stuff off of my desk at the moment, get rid of that desk, build the new desk, put everything back in place. To be fair, I haven't dusted it in a while, so and I haven't been down the back of the desk for ages, so it's probably going to be really dusty. So that's this afternoon's plan, but hopefully if it's still nice weather, they can come out in the garden and play this afternoon. So they've got the best of both worlds. They've been out this morning, and then this afternoon they can go and play in the garden. So yeah, nice day.
Oh, that's nice. I don't know what it is, but it's nice.
Yeah.
I think it's a bit of rope.
Yeah, it's
A bit of rope.
It's so quick!
That's cool.
Hello. Hello.
Where are we, Flo? We're at the seaside, baby. We're at the seaside. It's really nice today, isn't it? Bless her, she's just woken up.
Put your feet up on this. When you put your feet up on this, it's full.
Don't go too deep.
It's full.
Because if you go too deep, you'll know what will happen. Your wellies will get wet.
I thought it's Daddy. Daddy, when you put your foot up when you're so deep. When you put your foot up, your foot is floating.
Okay, so this is why we love living in Lossiemouth. I hope we never have to leave, to be honest, or at least if we have to move away from Lossie, we can move somewhere that's still close to Lossie, so we can still come down and do these walks and stuff like that. You what?
I want to stay in Mossy.
So do I want to stay in Lossie, darling. I hope we can. Do you know what I mean? I hope we can.
I got my dolly.
Oh, the LOL dolls out again. It's absolutely stunning down here today, guys. It's stunning. I'll do a pano, right? Hang on. Right, let's do a pano.
So,
There you go. It's absolutely stunning today. Can't see anything else. 9:30 in the morning, West Beach, Lossiemouth. Perfect. Did you find it? Well done. Did she throw it out onto the floor? All right. Okay. Well done. Good spot. You got it? Well done. Good searching. Here you go, look. We found your dummy. Found your dummy. Ready? There we go. No, I didn't. Here you go. Well, that was quite simply a lovely morning. It's about 11:15 now, guys, so I'm coming. I'm just finishing my bit of video. It's about 11:15 in the morning, so I'm going to head back now, catch up with Zoe, probably get on with some lunch, and get the desk built. I'm coming. What a beautiful morning. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you back at home. Look at this weather. This weather's fantastic today. The afternoon's even better than the morning. It's just absolutely beautiful. So Zoe's in, she's just made a start.
Daddy, watch this.
Yeah, them too.
Daddy,
What?
watch this.
Okay, I'll watch you in 2 seconds. I'm just chatting, all right? So Zoe's inside. She's just made a start on tidying the corner where we're going to be putting the new desk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in a minute. I'm just making sure these are all right first. I'm going to go in, I'm going to start building the desk, and then we can swap it all around. So, and then that hopefully will be done by about 3 o'clock. And me and Zoe can come out and have a cup of tea outside, which would be nice, in the beautiful sunshine.
And Flo will come out.
I just can't get over how beautiful it is today. It's like summer is wanting to come back. Coming back to Scotland. Beautiful.
Daddy, watch me.
And it's nice to see Joseph out and about. He's been really good today. He wasn't very good yesterday. He wasn't feeling very good yesterday, or in the mood for going out. You know what I mean? But it's good to see him out and about as well. So that's another bonus. Right, I'm going to shoot.
Okay, so we are finished. The desk is finished. So I've still got all of this over here to sort out tomorrow, but this bit is finished. So what I wanted was extra space along here so that I can have my machine out and the computer and everything else. I mean, ideally I'd have an office, and like all my stuff over there would be kind of alongside it as well, but I've needed this bit of extra space for ages because I keep having to move all the stuff around anytime I need to do something. So I mean, ideally we wouldn't have loads of stuff underneath and I'd be able to have it all out, but it is what it is and we're kind of lacking on space, so this is much better. So this desk is narrower this way but longer, so it doesn't actually take up much more room than the other desk did. We need to get a new filing cabinet really, and just ignore the rest of the mess. I've done this bit but I haven't done the rest of it. So yeah, it's given me loads more space, which is great, which is just what I wanted. And I've given me a chance to tidy it all up and clean everything and dust everything, so I'm really pleased. It's given me kind of just the space I needed without it taking up too much of the lounge, and in actual fact it's created a little bit more space in the lounge because it's narrower, so it's not taking up quite so much space, but it is that way. We did actually move the sofa and there was so much stuff underneath the sofa. I got some of it out, but the rest of it's just been left. We'll have to sort it out another day. So I've got to try and sort the lounge out this week. That's one of my kind of things to do this week, is to sort the lounge out. I need to sort this corner out, which has become like the kitchen corner for the kids. That's all my craft stuff over there. But it's kind of the only way around we can have the lounge. And obviously we are moving, so I don't want to do too much. But yeah, I'm really pleased. It's fitted in. It's all made. Looks good. Pleased.
Well, there we go, guys. That's the end of Sunday. It's been quite a productive day today, hasn't it?
Yes.
It's been very productive. We've managed to get that desk switched over, which I really like, actually. It didn't cost that much money, did it? That desk?
It was £80.
£80.
From Amazon.
I thought that was quite a bargain, to be honest. £80. It's really sturdy. Put together really easily. Not that we're doing a review. I'm just, if we buy something that we think is great, we'll tell you. So I'm really happy with that, and it looks really nice as well. It fits really well in the corner, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, it kind of makes a little bit more space, but takes up more space, but makes a little bit more room. I think it's because it's a different shape. It's a different width, isn't it? It doesn't take up so much width. No. But we thought we'd finish in the garden because it's been an absolutely beautiful day today. It was freezing. It's cold, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful down the beach. The kids have been out in the garden all afternoon. Eva, Noah and Toby have asked if they can come out before they go to bed as well, just for a little bit before it goes dark. They're missing the trampoline. Yeah, they are missing the trampoline. Yeah, Agnes was crying, so... I won't buy a new one until April, I think. No, we're going to wait for the winter to finish, and then we're going to get a trampoline. No, but I'm happy. The weekend's been very productive. It's lovely to have a nice weekend and to get some nice things done and all that kind of stuff. The kids enjoyed going to the shops and all yesterday, so happy days. Hope you've enjoyed the weekend with us. But that's it for now. So that just leaves us to say thank you for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video today and this weekend. Please subscribe to our channel, please hit the bell for notifications, drop us a like, and don't forget our link tree in the video description below and on our channel homepage for all of our social media, for our Facebook and Instagram, we can get more from us. So there we go. So that just leaves us to say we'll see you soon, and probably this week, maybe get some vlogs done this week. We'll sort the rest of the lounge up now. So maybe a vlog from Zoe. It's just definitely a shopping haul coming. The corner is nice and neat now, and the rest of it's just... We've made a clean spot. We've made a clean spot. The rest of it's just shambles. So I've got to sort that out. But there we go. Anyway, guys, take care, and we'll see you next video. Bye!